Guys, welcome back to my channel Enhancing. No, it's no more Enhancing Beauties, it's the Shining Shiner. So yeah, since my channel is growing up so well and it's doing really good, so I thought कि यार एक फ्यूचर बेस पे मैंने सोच के देखा, मैंने कहा यार इफ़ आई हिट 1 लाख ऑन माई चैनल, सो मुझे वो 1 लाख वाला बटन प्ले बटन मिलेगा यूट्यूब का. सो उस पर यार दे विल प्रिंट इन्हांसिंग ब्यूटीज. बट सो I was like, yeah, it should something that should relate to my name. It should be something like that. So, as my profession, as my business is also named as The Shining Shiner Makeovers, my Instagram page is named as The Shining Shiner Makeovers. So, I thought, why not to name my channel as The Shining Shiner only? So, something which should relate me. So, I just decided to name my channel as The Shining Shiner. So yeah, today, as you already guessed with from the title, that I did a get ready with me. I'm wearing this beautiful kurti which I'll show you just now. Or I was just going out for a good kitty party kind of like get together, ladies day out, or you can say kitty party. So this is a look which you can carry in your ladies day out, or for the mall or the shopping or the kitty party or anything of that sort. And secondly, in this video I have already I have actually like included some new steps which you can carry without using more of products and still looking glam like I am looking over here. So I since it's summers, तो आप ज़्यादा product use नहीं करना चाहोगे summers में, you want to keep it as minimal as you can. तो मैंने एक ऐसा trick use किया है इसमें, जिसमें आप जो concealer use करते हो to highlight, to brighten up your under eyes, instead of those concealers I have used some powders of light colors to actually highlight the or brighten up the under eyes. As you can see, my under eyes are really popping up, which is really good. So I did that. A trick is included in this video, and if you want to know about that trick, so please keep on watching this video, and I'll show you a glimpse of this kurti also, either in front of either in the starting of this video, or now I'll just shoot it now and you'll see how this kurti looks. And if you want to know the info from where I bought this kurti, I'll link it in the description box below. You can go and call on their number or visit their Instagram page. They have amazing variety. I always buy from them. So just want to give you a close-up of my makeup. So this is how my makeup looks like, and look how popping is my under eyes. So yeah, so let's get into the video and let's get started. So first of all, I'm just applying my favorite lenses from Olens in shade Zenith Pink, and I love them. They change your look like totally. And starting off with the moisturizer, as usual, my trustworthy Cetaphil moisturizer, moisturizing my face properly, and then going in with the primer, which is Professional Primer from Benefit. It's amazing. Works for combination and oily skin really well. And here, using the foundation, Makeup Forever HD foundation, shade and everything will be linked in the description box below, so you can go and check all that out on the Nykaa.com. I'm first using some dabbing motions all over my face and concentrating mostly onto my under eyes, because I'm not going to use any other product other than the foundation. And after that, using the swiping motion to blend the foundation all over my face. Once that is done, taking this fluffy brush from Morphe, I'm using my trustworthy setting powder, which is from PAC, and the shade is TL02. I'm just setting up lightly, very lightly, my under eyes, and whatever is left on the brush, I'm using it all over my face. Now using this Kiko Milano eyebrow sculpt pencil, but I'm not doing my eyebrows because I don't do it generally on the daily basis, because I already have heavy eyebrows. So next I'm taking this Kiko Milano blushing and contour kit. I'm taking the middle red tone blush and blushing my cheeks. with the same fluffy brush, and blushing my nose and chin as well. Next, I'm going to draw a good wing eyeliner using this hyperglossy Maybelline liquid eyeliner, which is my favorite. I had to struggle a lot to shoot this eyeliner thing because I did not get any kind of support to my hand, and then I kind of tried to do a good wing eyeliner. Now using the Faces Kajal pencil and only outlining the outer corners of lower waterline, and now using this pack brush 279, and this is the trick what I was talking about. I'm going to use the lightest color from this palette and use it for setting up my under eyes. I'll layer it up 2 to 3 times, and then you'll see the effect how it actually brightens up my under eye without using the step of concealer. Without using that, I am highlighting my under eyes, and even applying it on the parts below the contour, so it looks like as if I have contoured my face, whereas I have not. Now using my favorite icon Huda Beauty liquid lipstick, and look how applying a liquid just changes the look, and even using this liquid lipstick as my blush, which I always do, like always and always. My whole makeup is actually done. I actually forgot to carry my makeup setting spray, and I didn't use that, but my makeup is always incomplete without that. So just don't forget to use it. And now, if I'm always in a hurry, I always use my hands and not the comb, and just do this twisting braid in front and a simple ponytail, just nothing else. So yeah, this was the full and final look. I hope you actually like this get ready with me video, and for more such videos, please click onto that subscribe button right there and click onto that bell icon next to that, so that आपको update मिलती रहे कि कब कब मैं upload कर रही हूँ. And just subscribe to my channel and keep on liking my videos to get more such videos. And I hope you will carry such tips and tricks in your daily life also. So, till the next time, bye bye.